Hey folks, I'd like to introduce you to attorney Mindy Rodney from Rodney and Bernstein. She's a board-certified immigration and nationality law attorney practicing exclusively in this area for over 25 years. Mindy represents clients in Florida, throughout the U.S., and around the world. I asked Mindy to come on the air today to answer a question that I received from one of my listeners. Hey Mindy, thanks for being on the show today.
Yes, hi Tom. It's a pleasure to come on your show and help you answer legal questions regarding immigration matters for your listeners.
Well, thank you, Mindy. I tell all my listeners they are always welcome to email me their legal questions, and as it happens, I get emails from all around the country and all around the world, which is very exciting for me. And I got an email from a client or a listener or somebody who got a hold of me. They're actually from Portugal. And they're a citizen there. They own and manage a mid-sized business in Portugal. And this particular email was talking about how they want to come to the U.S., open up a business in Florida, like to come here, live here with their family. And as soon as I got that email, I thought about you, Mindy Rodney, who's an immigration law attorney. So, Mindy, how would you handle that email?
Okay, well, let me start by saying that the immigration laws are very complex, and the best strategy for any individual will have to be determined in consultation with a knowledgeable immigration attorney. And my answers today are going to be general in nature and are not intended as advice to anyone without a full review of their circumstances. Now, having said that, it sounds to me like your client is a very good candidate for what's called an L-1A visa. And the L-1 visa is intended for someone who has been working as an executive or high-level manager states for at least 1 year during the last 3 years. The company abroad decides it wants to either open up a new or buy into an established company here in the United States, which has to be either a branch, an affiliate, or a subsidiary of that foreign company, although the company in the United States does not have to be engaged in the same type of business. And the idea is they want to transfer this individual over to the United States as either an executive or a high-level manager. It gives the individual permission to work here in the United States for that company. Their family can accompany them. The spouse would be permitted to get a work permit. The children are allowed to go to school, either private or public. There is no minimum investment required, unlike many other visas. And significantly, once the U.S. company has been operating actively for a year and the foreign company continues to operate, it is sometimes possible to apply and convert that temporary visa into a green card, also known as permanent residence status.
Well, thank you so much, Mindy. So this is Mindy Rodney. She is an immigration law attorney with Rodney and Bernstein. And